Cricket in the subcontinent has a rich and vibrant history that reflects the region's culture and passion for the game. It all began in the 18th century when British colonizers introduced cricket to India. By the late 19th century, local clubs emerged, and the first ever Test match was played between England and Australia in 1877, setting the stage for international competition. The 1932 Test match between India and England marked a significant milestone, showcasing India's growing prowess. Fast forward to the 1983 World Cup, where India stunned the cricketing world by defeating the West Indies, igniting a cricketing revolution across the subcontinent. The 1990s brought the rise of legendary players like Sachin Tendulkar and Wasim Akram, who inspired millions. The advent of T20 cricket in the 2000s transformed the game, with the Indian Premier League becoming a global phenomenon, blending entertainment with sport. Today, cricket in the subcontinent is not just a game, it's a way of life, uniting diverse cultures and creating a legacy that continues to evolve.